Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Rarible. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is installed and properly set up in your browser. This is a crucial initial step. Next, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Rarible platform. Once on the Rarible homepage, look for and click the Connect Wallet button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This action initiates the connection process. After clicking Connect Wallet, a new pop-up window will appear, showcasing a variety of cryptocurrency wallet options. From this list, you will need to specifically select MetaMask as your preferred wallet for connection. Immediately following this selection, your MetaMask browser extension will activate, displaying a prompt that requires your attention. This prompt asks for your explicit permission to proceed with the connection. Upon receiving the prompt from your MetaMask extension, it is important to carefully review the details presented. MetaMask will clearly state that Rarible is requesting permission to connect to your wallet. Take a moment to understand the access being requested. Once you are comfortable with the permissions, proceed by clicking the Connect or Sign button directly within the MetaMask pop-up window. This action grants Rarible the necessary access. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now successfully connected and linked to the Rarible platform. You will notice your unique wallet address prominently displayed on the Rarible interface, confirming the successful integration. With this connection established, you are fully equipped to explore the marketplace. You can now seamlessly buy, sell, and even create your own non-fungible tokens, or NFT, directly on Rarible. Enjoy your experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.